Welcome to this quick step-by-step tutorial on how to add a search bar to your WordPress menu. Fast, simple, and perfect for beginners. If you've ever wanted to make it easier for your visitors to find content on your website, adding a search bar is one of the most effective ways to improve user experience. And the best part, it only takes a few minutes to set up. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the WordPress website. Once the page loads, head to the top right corner and click Login. To make signing in quicker, select Continue with Google. This method securely connects your Google account to WordPress, saving you time on entering credentials. Choose the Google account associated with your WordPress site, and you'll be logged in within seconds. After logging in, find the Quick Link section on your dashboard. From here, click on Edit Site. This will take you into the WordPress site editor, where you can customize the layout, design, and navigation of your website. If you manage multiple sites, you'll see a list. Just click on the one you want to edit. Once your site editor loads, it's time to add the search bar. Look toward the upper right corner of the screen for a plus icon. This icon opens up the block inserter, which gives you access to all the available blocks you can add to your website. Click on the plus sign, and in the search field that appears, type search. WordPress will instantly filter and display the search block. When you see it, click to insert it directly into your page. This block serves as your search bar, allowing visitors to quickly look up any content on your site. Now, let's position it correctly within your navigation. Click and drag the search block into your menu area right where you want it to appear, typically near your navigation links or at the far right of the menu bar. Drop it into place, and it will automatically align with the rest of your menu items, blending seamlessly with your design. Once it's in position, take a moment to preview your website. Check that the search icon or bar displays correctly and test it by typing a keyword to ensure the search function works as expected. If it does, congratulations. You've successfully added a fully functional search bar to your WordPress menu. This simple addition enhances your website's usability and makes navigation smoother for your visitors. Now they can easily find articles, products, or posts without scrolling endlessly through pages. And that's it. A clean, professional search bar added to your WordPress site in just a few easy steps. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more quick WordPress and website design tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.